I'm Russ Filstrom. I'm chairman of Homeless and Wounded Warriors in Minnesota. I'm very pleased to be here tonight.
And my name is Dan Schuler with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Exclusive, sitting here with Russ and his guys at Cuyuna.
Russ Filstrom with Homeless and Wounded Warriors. We're going to do our drawing for the ice machine prizes in just a few minutes. I want you folks to know how we're using your money. We will be taking part in the delivery of a handicapped accessible van for a 40-some-year-old father with a 12-year-old boy with cerebral palsy. I drove my car full of clothes. Roger drove that Dodge van. Once again, we handed the dad who cried, "Here's the keys and the title to your van to take care of your son." Man, this is what it's all about. Yeah. This is what it is. I appreciate your help. We will have fun.
Those are the stories that help us raise money and get businesses like his and yours to support us. Important part of this is we're raising money to help fellow veterans in Minnesota and their families. It's what we're all about. We appreciate the opportunity to do these things.